My dear brothers and sisters, why do you think calendars were invented hundreds of years ago? My guess is that one of the reasons is people should anticipate or plan. People should think not only of the present moment, but the plan ahead. For example, you put on your calendar, this will be the day that you are going to the province, or this will be the day that you're going to celebrate your golden jubilee or 60th birthday. You think ahead. I think that was the mistake of the other 5 in the 10 virgins mentioned in the gospel. They were foolish, not because they slept. All of them slept. Lahat naman sila natulog eh. Kaya lang, yung 5 iyon, nahangal, hindi naisip yung posibleng mangyari. They did not anticipate. And that is why, when the bridegroom came, they were afraid that the lamps will not be sustained by the oil. Hindi nila naisip na magbaon ng extra. You know, my dear brothers and sisters, one of the messages of this gospel parable is this: think ahead, plan ahead. Ang buhay natin dito sa mundo ay pangsamantala lamang. Here, we are NPAs, no permanent address. This is not our permanent address. Heaven is our real home. But are we preparing for that home? The Lord is reminding us, be prepared. Not only since you do not know when the Lord is coming, be prepared. It means anticipate. Plan ahead. And then, the gospel mentions oil. What is this oil? What is the oil symbolizing? Many things. But one traditional interpretation is the oil is your work of charity. Your oil is your charitable works. Mag-ipon tayo ng langis. Mag-ipon tayo ng mga mabubuting gawa. Mag-ipon tayo ng kagandahang loob. Nang sa ganon, dumating man ang Panginoon, anong oras, matatagpuan tayong handa sapagkat puno ang ating ilawan ng mga mabubuting gawa. There are 2 things that the Lord is reminding us in this gospel parable: to plan ahead and to store oils of charity. Amen.